Okay, guys, we're walking home, and look, the bird's coming right at us. Oh crap! This bird is crazy. Oh jeez! It comes right by the camera. Look! Oh jeez! It's following us. Oh jeez! It scares me every time. There it is, right there. Here it comes. Oh jeez! There it is. Oh jeez! There it is. Here it comes. And you can hear it too. It's so, you have to run from it. Oh jeez, it's coming. There we go, left. That is birds in Tennessee, everybody. Let's walk back to heaven. Here it is on there. Hey bird, here comes. There he goes. He's rounding about for attack. Here he comes. He's all the way up there. And he's coming for you! That is scary. Kirsty, Ryan, get it. There it is, right there. Oh, it's coming for Angie. Oh, it's coming for Angie. It knows where she is. See if I can get it. There it is right there, just flew by. Well, see you guys in the next video. That bird is scary.